Hello children, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are well. Now, this is time for us to start our second activity for today, which is winter season. We are going to revise winter season. Learning objectives for this activity are revise winter season and things associated with that season to impart knowledge about season to enhance cognitive skills. The resources: jacket, shawl, mittens or a sweater, worksheet and crayon. In case you don't have jacket, shawl, mitten or sweater, you can use pictures. And worksheet is available under parent app. Our activity. So children, we learn many things about winter season. Let's revise them all. The winter season. Normally, winter season starts in early of October and it ends in late February. Winter season comes after rainy season. Winter season comes after rainy season. And winter is the coldest season. Winter is the coldest season. The breeze outside is very cold. It's very cold. And how we feel during winter? We feel very cold, our body shivers, and we don't want to step out from our house. We want to stay at our home and we want to cover ourselves in blanket. We want to have hot beverages, soups. And children, what type of clothes we wear during winter? Let's see. Teacher is going to show you some winter clothes that we wear during winter. Let's see them one by one. Can you see this, children? This is a sweater. What is this? Sweater. And we wear these sweaters to protect our upper body from cold. These clothes are woolen. You can see how thick they are. They are thick now. During summer, we wear thin clothes, cotton clothes, thin, which help us to fight from summer heat. And during winters, we wear these woolen clothes, which are thick, which protect us from cold and help our body to stay warm. And what about this, children? This is also a sweater. And what is this, children? This is a shawl. We cover ourselves in this. We cover our upper body in this shawl to protect our body from cold. And what is this, children? This is a jacket. And we wear jackets to protect our upper body. And what is this, children? This is a winter cap. We wear these caps on head to protect our head from cold. And what are these, children? These are mittens. These are mittens. And we wear these mittens on our hand. We wear these mittens on our hand to protect our hand from getting cold. Okay? And what is this, children? These are woolen socks. And we wear them on feet to keep our feet warm. And what is this, children? This is a ear muff. And these ear muff protect our ears from cold breeze. They cover our ears and protect them from cold breeze. There are many more clothes. So children, you have seen these are the clothes that we wear during winter season. Okay. Now see what type of food we eat during winter. We eat hot. We want to have hot soups and hot beverages like chocolate milk, coffee, tea to keep our body warm. We can't eat ice cream in this season. No, no, no. If we will eat ice cream, we will get cold. So we should eat hot things in this weather. Now, what type of fruits and vegetables we get during this season? We get plenty of fruits and vegetables. We get all the green leafy vegetables during this season. Fruits like apple, oranges and kiwi. Vegetables like cauliflower, peas. We get during winters. And some of the major celebration like Diwali, Christmas, New Year, Makar Sankranti, Pongal, Lohri come under this season. Now children, this is time for you to do this worksheet. So let's do this worksheet. Can you see these pictures here? Can you see this worksheet? Huh? Now what you have to do is you have to circle the clothes that help us to keep warm. So let's see. Can you see what is this? This is a cap. Does cap protect us from cold? Does cap help us to keep our body warm? Yes. So let's circle it. Now, what is next? Umbrella. No, no, no. Umbrella we use during winters. And what about this? This is a jacket. And we wear jacket during winter. They help us to keep our body warm. And what is this, children? This cap? Do we wear this cap during winter? No. We wear this cap during summer season. We don't wear this type of cap. You have seen now what type of cap we wear during winter? Yes, woolen caps. And what is this? This is also a sweater. So we wear these sweaters during winters now. You have seen now. Now what is this, children? These are gum boots. Do we wear gum boots during some winter? No, we wear gum boots during rainy season. And what are these, children? These are socks, woolen socks. Does this socks help us to keep our feet warm? Yes. So let's circle them. Now what is this, children? Sunglasses? Do we wear sunglasses during winter? No, it's hardly sunny in winter. We wear sunglasses to protect our eyes from sun. So, we don't wear sunglasses during winter. Let's see what is next. Next are mittens. Do we wear mittens during winter? Yes, we wear. So, let's circle them. Children, did you enjoy this activity? Tell me, you liked? Okay. So, thank you. Have a nice